If you want to set up secure folder on Samsung Tab S10FE, start by opening settings, and then you will have to scroll down and navigate into security and privacy. Right now you will have to scroll for more security settings, and right now you will have to search for the secure folder, which is available right here. Tap on it, click continue, and right now all you have to do is just to sign in with your Google account or the Samsung account, but also you can try to click right here and select create account if you don't have one. If you forgot your ID, you can also pick up one of the following options. So in my case, I want to use the Google account, and basically we have to accept the terms and the conditions and click more for the special terms, click agree. And right now you have to just verify if you have the same, the verification method. If you got this verification method, then you have to just basically confirm your on the second Galaxy device, and then you just have to follow on-screen instructions to set it up. So it will take around 1 minute to fully actually load that secure folder.